Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL content. In this video, we will understand outer joins. So far, we have seen three kind of joins mainly: inner join, left join, and right join. Now we are only talking about first to begin with left join and right join. So the left join and right join are known as outer join, and there is also a third kind of join called as full outer join. Let us understand this. I'm already having this script open when we started our journey with joins, the 39th example, wherein we had the sales tran and the products tables. So let me take them and do a left join. Select from sales tran S, or I can begin with dim product first, products rather, P, left join sales tran S on P dot product ID is equal to S dot product ID. So if you run this, we know that since the products table has one more ID, which is number 5, it will be available, but the right hand side table, the transaction table, didn't have any product ID number 5. That's why it will be null. So the left join can also be written like this way: left outer join. Still, the result will be the same. So you write left join or you write left outer join. As far as T-SQL is concerned, that's what I know. It will be the same. You might want to cross-check in other databases. The same thing will happen with right join. So let me say right join. However, I need to swap the tables because the sales tran, doesn't have a non-matching record as compared to the products table. So let me swap this. So if you write this way, this is how the output is. Or if you write right outer join, same output you will get. So it confirms that right and left are outer joins and inner join is distinct. Okay, fine. There is something also called as full outer join. That is something that you will not use very often as compared to these inner join and left joins, but still you got to know. So now, right now, it seems like the output of this is just like a right outer join. And the only reason is because we don't have one non-matching record in the sales trans table. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to insert a row in the sales trans table, some row which is completely a different ID. Let's say 6, right? We'll change the invoice number. We'll change the sales and insert. Fine. So now if I run this, now I see some difference. I see 8 records. So what is a full outer join? You can think of full outer join a combination of inner, right and left. So first you will get all the matching records. So until the row number 6, all of these product IDs 1 to 4 are matching records. The number 7th row until the 7th and the first 6 rows will bring you output from the left join. So whatever are there on the left side table, which is the product ID 6 that I just inserted, that will also come. And then on the right hand side, it will remain null because the product 6 is not included or available in products table. And there is another record also, product 5, which was available in the products table but not in the sales table. So this is nothing but the output of your right join. So full outer join is nothing but combination of left, inner and right outer joins. However, since inner, right and full left will bring you the matching record, the matching records will only appear once. They will not appear thrice. Why it is important to do is because if I'm saying that right, inner and full are combination is nothing but a full outer join, it will not repeat the matching rows again. It will only bring once until here. Then this is something what you get from the left join. This is something, the last row, that you get from the right join, the non-matching ones. Hope that helps you to understand the full outer join concept, but we use it very, very rarely, I would say. So that's it on full outer join. See you in the next video.